Hello guys, many of you were asking me how to overclock NVIDIA RTX GPUs. In this video I will show you how I am doing it. First, you need to download LOL Miner. Now go to the miners folder and you see this LOL Miner GUI. Press right key on it and select Run as Administrator. Press yes. And now here is the list of your GPUs. There is only one GPU here because this is my PC. The first box here is for core clock. Core offset, memory clock, memory offset, power limit and fan speed. For example, 2400 core clock, 350 core offset, this is 5001 memory clock. I type it 2500. You can type it 5001. Memory offset 0. Power limit 150 watts. I'm not setting fan speed because I use MCI Afterburner for custom fan curve. Now select the active boxes. And press apply overclocks. Overclock applied. Start your miner. And you see the core clock is 2400 and the memory clock is 5001. Now if you don't want to type this every time, press File, Save, and save a configuration file. For example, I have for SkyDog, but let's say it's SkyDog 2. Save. Now I can close LOL. Now let's start it again. File, open, select the configuration file, and you see the numbers here. You just need to check and press apply overclock. Now it will be easier to send this. Press right button, send to desktop and create a shortcut. Now press the right button, properties, go to advanced and select this run as administrator. That way, every time you start this application, it will run as administrator. Now I can just start it, press yes, file, open, select the checkboxes and press apply overclocks. Overclock applied. Now, this is my personal computer, so I'm using it also for gaming or video editing, and when I'm not mining, I don't need to restart the computer to reset the overclock. I can just use this button, reset GPUs, and all NVIDIA GPUs are reset. Now I can start my game, I can play, and when I am ready, load the configuration file, press apply again, and I can start mining without restart. For me, that is the easiest way to overclock NVIDIA RTX GPUs. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more mining videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.